G'day everybody, it's Trader Cobb here on the 1st of September. Sorry that my voice sounds a bit triple X rated. I've been struggling with an incredible sore throat the last couple of days, and this is the result, a sexy voiced me. Anyway, look, I wanted to get in and show you one I've been, myself and a number of other guys that I know in the know have been loading up on lately. It's Metal. Now, I think it's probably the best kept secret out there at the minute. You look at how it moves. It's very stable for a cryptocurrency. You know, it's very, very stable indeed. There's some big announcements coming out end of September, early October, from what I understand. Keep in mind, I don't work for the company. It's just based on what I've heard and read and whatnot, and all the different Slack groups and whatnot. Now, what I actually like about it, and you can see it's sort of starting to pop now. What I've liked about it from a technical point of view now is the last few days. I like the fact that higher high, higher low, it's pulled back in, and then we've seen this round number of 0.002, a strong point there. It's tested it once, it's tested it 2, 3, 4 times, and today it's moved from there. I like it. It's gone below it, and each day, the last 3 days, slightly less each time. I was waiting for a bullish candle to present itself. That very well may be today that we see that bullish candle. Hopefully it keeps on soldering on and closes also. I hope it closes bullish, but I think it's a very good option going forward. It's a coin that can certainly fix a lot of the issues out there in the space, and it's got a long life ahead of it, in my opinion. Now, a couple of the ones that I've covered this week, to come back through them. Where was I? I didn't get a call out on that breakout. We're looking at Litecoin. There we go. So I was looking, when I did the video a couple of days ago, I believe, we were looking here at this breakout. So basically what I was looking at, let me get the right tool up, was the breakout above this level here. Okay, so as I was recording, I think it was actually breaking at the time, so it's going quite well. I set a stop loss or exit point at this point here. It's at about 2 to 1, so that's really going quite well at the moment. A little bit of divergence there on the 4 hour, but I don't see too many issues with that. It's looking very nice. It's following this trend. What I also like is that look how this support through here, it broke above, it came back, it retested. I mean, that was a sweet little entry if you had have missed the break. Beautiful one there, and it's trending quite nicely, so I really do like that. And also on the daily time frame, it's starting to show some strength coming in there as well. I also spoke of I've just been there, of Ripple. I spoke of entering as it broke the high of this candle. Okay, so looking for this trend to have officially reversed. I mean, look, it hasn't really officially reversed until we get above this level, because that's the most recent lower high. Higher. Oh, here we go. Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher low, higher. Sorry, God. There's a higher low here, and until we break out to a new higher high, it won't officially be an uptrend. But a small break up through this high, it's been triggered, so I just want to update you again. My stop loss point to exit is below this level here, as I said in the video, and Ripple looking very, very good. With a lot of, it's look at how far it's been. It's definitely what I would consider to be cheap. One of the, I guess what you call blue chip of the cryptos, Ripple, with an actual solution there that's actually in and making some big effects. Really good market cap there as well. So the other thing to touch base on again is Bitcoin. So obviously, I'm sure everyone's aware of this, but it's broken out to new highs. It keeps on doing it. 5,000 is definitely not off the cards. I spoke of the breakout through here, pushing to new highs the other day. It's done that. It's continued to push higher. Lots of good opportunities there. The only thing I would suggest is that we're starting to get a little bit flat here on the indicators. I'll just go down the time frames to the 4 hour. The 4 hour is still looking very strong. Pulling back into this moving average zone moving. I would expect to see it pull back in again at some point. But again, Bitcoin very, very strong and looking the goods at the minute. So that's just an update of everything throughout the week. The one I'm looking at today, the one that is starting to move now, is on Metal. Tell your friends, tell your family, Metal is an absolute screamer waiting to happen. Guys, speak to you all very soon, hopefully with a better sounding voice. Bye for now. P.S. I actually forgot I had a call out on Dash. It's still valid. For those of you who are wanting to know, the call is still valid. The order is still valid. An entry above the high, if it breaks the high of this candle, and I'm looking to exit if it breaks below the low here. Still very active. Dash looks good. See how we go over the next couple of days. Now I'm really going to go. Bye.